Hello, Anna. I don't mean to be rude, but is the wish of the songbird... I like how you said singbird. A twerkable song. If so, can we see the example of it? Yeah, of course. Hold on. Give me 1 second, okay? I'll show you. This song is totally twerkable. And by twerkable, I mean it's well written and well composed. Yes, it is definitely well composed and well written. If you guys haven't checked out my original song, Wish of the Songbird, it's literally the first video that plays when you visit my channel. It's getting annoying because it's on autoplay, so every time I click on my channel, it goes, "A tale to be told," and I'm just like, shut the fuck up! But yeah, please check it out if you guys haven't. And we worked really hard on it, and I'm really proud of it. Here you go.
Damn, girl. You grew up.
Time flows once more. Something, something, something. Forgot my lyrics. Na 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 na. お願い神様 Help me twerk to this song 叶えてくれよこの世界に奇跡がなななななななな Hear the wish of this song Dakina ya so Ethyria duranu Dakina ya so Ethyria duranu There we go. It's definitely twerkable. Thank you for this lovely person who made this wonderful art of me twerking. Thank you, Ryaku. I really appreciate it. Thank you, thank you.